AI can't fix what's broken in your business. Now lately I've been seeing lots of posts and ads about different tools and ways that people are using AI to systemize their businesses. More specifically, they're using AI and AI-based tools to document procedures and confusing this with actual progress in systemizing their business. The reality is that the documentation of systems and procedures is step 8 out of the 9 steps necessary to fully systemize your business. And if you don't have steps 1 to 7 completed, you'll be stuck with an awesome set of procedures that never get used. The reason for this is that lack of systems probably is not what's broken in your business. So let's take a look at what the real problem might be. 3 possible areas. Number 1, culture. Theoretically, your culture is defined by your vision, your mission, and your culture statements or core values. In reality, it's defined by the worst set of behaviors that you allow. If your team is already ignoring the procedures and processes and guidelines that you have, a more complete set won't make it any better. You need to start with revisiting your culture, reminding everyone what it is and how it translates into expected behaviors. Area number 2, expectations. Once your culture is defined and re-explained to the team, the next gap in your business is likely expectations. Does every single person know who they report to? Does everyone have their own performance metrics or KPIs? Do they have an updated position description outlining their responsibilities and the expected outcomes? If not, then once again, they won't follow the procedures because there is no reason or incentive to do so. Combined with the components of culture, these documents define why they should use the procedures and processes. The third area is people management. To keep the team following your new processes and procedures and help them get better at it, you need to have a robust management system in place for accountability and improvement. From daily priorities to weekly accomplishments, a consistent process will drive their system utilization and lead to improved productivity, or even more important, more consistency. Now, if you'd like to learn how installing the ABOSS platform can help you better utilize the tools and technology that are becoming standard, go ahead and click on the link in the description to schedule a short 15-20 minute chat with one of our ABOSS installation experts.